Hi there, welcome to Let's Grow Together. A job interview for a freshers can bring a lot of anxiety and stress. While there is an excitement to be finally plugging into the corporate world, there is also a fear of rejection. It is natural for freshers to feel all sorts of conflicting emotions while searching for their first job. However, getting overwhelmed or letting negative emotions take the best of them, and it certainly won't help. Are you a fresher looking for your first job? Do similar thoughts bother you too? If yes, here are the top 10 job interview tips to help you handle pre interview stress and stay focused. You never get a second chance to make a good first impression. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Be on time. Importance of punctuality cannot be stressed enough, especially for the freshers appearing for a job interview. It is one of the deciding factor whether or not you will get a job. Even if you perform brilliantly during the job interview, there is a chance that you might not get a job for showing up the late as it will make you look unprofessional. Here are a few quick tips to be on time on the day of the job interview. 1. Get your things in place at night before the interview, including your clothes, shoes, CV, and all other documents. Charge your phone and log out from or your social media accounts to avoid the distractions. Figure out the route to interview venue, the time it will take to reach there, and start from your home, keeping a cushion to at least half an hour. Carry all documents. Another important interview tip for freshers is to know what documents are required for the job interview. Some of the most important things to consider are several copies of your CV. Make sure you take a print of each copy, as the print quality of the photocopied document is usually quite low. Your academic documents, including mark sheet, degrees, etc., and their photocopies. Also carry internship certificate, recently clicked passport size photograph, and identity proof. A letter of recommendation from the professional under which you had gone your interview internship, or any faculty member from your college. A good folder for all documents listed above. Look your best. The third most important interview tip for fresher is about learning how to dress for an interview. Making a good first impression plays a huge role in whether or not you will get the job, and dressing for the interview properly plays a huge role in making a good first impression. If you want to make a great first impression in the job interview, that last avoid making mistakes while dressing for an interview. Follow the interview dress codes by choosing an outfit that is professionally appropriate to the position you are applying for. So, we'll make a separate video on this. Maintain a positive body language. How you conduct yourself is equally important to what you say during the interview. Your body language during the interview gives the interviewer a peek into your overall personality and attitude. Ensure to maintain a positive body language. It will help you to learn brownie point. Here are some quick, easy, and effective body language tips you can follow. Make a eye contact, shake hand confidently, sit straight and maintain a graceful posture throughout. Smile and nod whenever it is needed. Use your hand while speaking. Also, we have created one video for you on the positive body language. I'll give you a link in the description box. Research the company. Fresher must research the company before the job interview. Having no knowledge about the company is one of the biggest turnoff for the hiring manager. Many times, interviewers ask their candidate what they know about the company to eliminate the unprepared under ones It is advisable to know the company's products, services, competitors, challenges, future goals, and the past growth records. Doing so will demonstrate your enthusiasm for the opportunity presented by the employer, allow you to show how your knowledge, skills, and values match with the company you're interviewing with. Help you answer a number of interviewer questions such as: what do you know about the company? Why do you want to work with us? So, convey your intent of sticking with the company for a couple of years. Prepare for a basic questions. Most times, it is not academic qualifications or skills that a fresher lacks. It is confident to handle the interview questions that they might get asked. This can be corrected if you know the common questions and prepare the impressive answers beforehand. You can refer our list of tips for the interview. I'll share the tips in the description. Maintain your social media presence. Nowadays, recruiter checks social media profiles of the candidate before calling them for an interview. Being a fresher who had just graduated from the college, it is quite possible that you might have some stuff on your social media accounts that you might not want recruiter to see. Be conscious of what you post on your social media profile. Check the Facebook post you are tagged in or and untag yourself from the one that look unprofessional. Do the same exercise for the Twitter to review emotions and mentions on your profile. Be active on social media accounts, post and share interesting content that is current and relevant. Most importantly, make an impressive LinkedIn profile, as that is where you can make a strong professional connection. Demonstrate a strong communication skill. Nowadays, almost every job posting mentions that a candidate possesses a strong personal communication skill. Be it be written, verbal, non-verbal, effective communications are must. If you are a fresher, want to nail the job interview, here are the few quick tips on how to improve your communication skill. Listen to the interviewer carefully. Think throughout your answer thoroughly before you speak. Choose your word wisely and avoid using informal language. Keep your answers crisp and short. Last but not the least, ask questions. Yes, most first time candidates make the mistake of not asking question at the end of the interview. When the interviewer asks you, do you have any questions for us? Consider it an opportunity to further highlight some of your skills and qualities. Asking intelligent questions will help you to impress the potential employer with your knowledge and interest in the company that you're going to be joining soon. Asking questions is also a way to understand the company's culture as well as the road you're looking at. So, prepare a list of questions to ask the interviewer well in advance. You can take a look of the next questions following. What does the typically day for a person in his this profile looks like? What is the team or the department size? Does the job role require one to travel? If yes, how frequently? Where can I expect hear from you? Next is follow up like a pro. Recruiters interview numerous candidates and may take time to get back to them individually. Following up will help you to stay on the top of their minds. The best way to follow up is to send a thank you letter right after the job interview. After that, wait for some days or some period of time under which the recruiter, he or she, will get back to you. If you still don't hear from recruiter, send a follow-up email. As a fresher, you might not have the work experience. However, there is something unique in everybody. You need to highlight your unique strength to make a powerful impact on the interviewer. So, these are the fresher job interview tips will help you to do the best. And all the very best for your interview. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. And yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.